Golf 1 lip install.
Today we're installing the Golf 1 lip, and then there's two nuts here which are 13s that you just have to remove on the left hand side and on the right hand side. After removing those bolts, the bumper should come off exactly how we're doing, but you must be careful of the wiring. The curved lines on the left hand side and the right hand side, they should show you how to install your lip, because the lip also has those curved lines. As you can see, we'll be aligning them with those curved lines from the car, the ones that I circled, and the ones on the lip itself. If you can't find the middle point of the lip using the curved sides, you can use the VW sign exactly in the middle of it, going down. We ended up removing the grill, so if you still can't find the middle point, you can use this part right here to find the middle point exactly in the middle. Going down, you can find the middle point there to align your lip with the middle point. I use this self-tipping, and I want to drill it on using this. So you can get this anywhere, your hardware, wherever. Yeah, you can get this. And then you can also get the 3-feet. This goes with this. Makes the job easier. After aligning the lip, you can put it back on, mark your parts where you're going to drill. As you can see, I'm drilling right now, the parts where I marked. We started drilling with the drill bit so we can open our hole, and then we only use the screw after. Even before you use the screw to drill, you can just put it on just to see if it aligns, and it will show you everything. If there's problems, you can re-drill on the other side, move it to the left or move it to the right. After drilling the holes, it's going to be much easier to put your screw in. You're just going to use your drill just to make sure that it's in. Using your drill, you can use your screws to make sure that your lip flushes with the car. So while using your drill, you just have to make sure that you drill it in. If you feel like it's not tight, you're gonna see what I did later on in the video. I felt like one of them was not tight enough, and then I used a nut. When drilling, it's advisable to start in the middle. Start in the middle so that you know that it's already balanced, and then you can push it on the side because it's adjustable. You can open it and close it. This is how it looks from the inside. You can just add a nut if you feel like it's not flushing enough or it's not touching the body correctly, like I did just there. I added a nut to make it tighter.